Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the file upload vulnerability. So file upload vulnerability is like when a website lets someone upload a file like a photo, anything, but the site doesn't check it properly, and the if you check it properly, an attacker can able to upload a dangerous file. For example, any script like a PHP script. So that server later runs, allowing the attacker to run commands, steal the data, take over the site. So that's what called file upload vulnerability, and this can be able to happen like what is the reason behind is that the app accepts the upload without checking the file type. Like we know the file type, like we can see here like the like PNG, JPE, JE. So like that, if it is didn't check that the type, and that is one of the mistake, and the servers show the upload the were not executable, and third is like file name, like the origin is not sanitized, so the attack can able to overwrite or run the files. And that is next is that the site trust the client provide the MIME, that is middleman attack, like type and file extension. So these are the reasons for this attack. So this that now I told things are not here, like there are vast has been explained, but I told in the short way. So if you want to go more about like this, you can check through the port seeker. So I just taken this as an example. And yeah, I will also say how to prevent, like what are the symbols explains the solution. Let me check it is there in here or not. So here is the thing that what are the reason for this attack. Like here you can see exploiting the float validation of file upload, and as I mentioned about here, you can see that the dangerous files like the PHP it is not sanitized or kind of things, and we can give the double extension, and with our remote code execution is also there. So here it is like how to prevent. So in my way I will say how to prevent or the solution for this. So first like a whitelist. Here you can see the word whitelist. So whitelist allow the file type, not just an extension, very actual content. And next is about the store upload outside the web root or any 10A resolution or upload directory. And third it is say about like the random file name, remove the original name or set a strict permission. And we can say also like the limit the file size. So the scan the AV, validate the MIME, and require authentication or authorization. And also we can say HTTP security, like content exploitation. And as I say, things are not here, just you can search Google. And also reject the dangerous execution and disable allow you are included etc. So yeah, on server. So these are the things we can do. And for the lab, I'm doing today not in the port seeker, but I'm doing in the DVWA. So let's move on to the lab. Take a simple lab demo. Okay, yeah, so this is our lab. So here we are going to do, so in this lab you can see there is an area for the browse and upload. So yeah, normally as I said before, there will be type to upload image like a JPG, PNG format, so it will only accept that kind of image. So but here we can able to check if it is acting like that or not. So okay, so before that we want a script of PHP, so it is actually in our system. So like that we can able to take. So for that, right click terminal, and we can search here. So it is like CP user share like webshell. Okay, I given the tab usage webshell, which is the webshells PHP. PHP. Now we can search for like PHP reverse shell. It is the we can can, if it is the, we can able to make it to home of the Kali. So just we are giving import. Okay, now we reach in the desktop. We can see if it is there or not. Yeah, I think it is not there. Yeah, it is there when we search for it. So we can copy. Okay. Then we can make it into our home Kali. Oh, our mistake. Okay, our mistake, it is the we didn't move that into, like we had to change the directory to root. Okay, now we can able to list. Here we can able to see our file. So now we can able to copy and we can able to open this file, like open and paste our name. So this is what we got. Here you can able to see the IP address and the port. So we have to change the, we are going to change the IP address only. So for that, firstly we have to get our IP address. So go to terminal and we have to find out our IP address by ipconfig. ifconfig. And we got our IP address. Then copy that. Then we have to paste here. So in our terminal, what it is? Yeah, we have to change here and paste our IP address. Okay. We are not changing the port here. If you want, you can able to change, but I am not changing here. So that's it. Now saving the file and file save. Okay, now we can move to our file upload. So here we have to go into upload this file. So we had to go to browser and in the desktop. So it is in the home root. Yeah, PHP shell, open. Then we are just giving upload. Yes, it is uploaded successfully. So we can able to see there is a path showing that it has been successfully. So let's go and see what it is there. So here from this vulnerability we are going to put into / is the remove one, then enter. Okay, some mistake happened. Yeah, because I forgot that I made a mistake. So we have been keep the, so before that we have to go to our terminal. Yeah, we can close this and use that terminal. Okay, so here we can give nv for reverse engineering, like that, nvlp, and we have to give the IP address. So before that our IP address I didn't change. I think you have noticed that. Oh, sorry, nv, that is nc. So that is nc nvlp 1 2 3 4, and this is our port. Okay, so when we give enter, it is listening. Now we have to copy this and change here till the DVWA. So we can go and see in the terminal. Yes, it is listened to our port, and we can give ls to list what are the things in that directory. So we can able to find the root, the bin, the etc, home, everything. And so this is how we have been uploaded, and we can see the path by pwd and the root, it is the, and also so this is work because we can able to say like it is taken it as a PHP. This doesn't check the type of the file type like JPEG or any other like PNG format. So another thing I will show you the same thing. So here I done by using the low, but here we can change the security to low to like just give medium. And same thing if you upload the same in the same format, if you upload a browse and PHP shell open upload, yeah, it has been uploaded successfully. Oh, I didn't given this submit button, so sorry for that. Medium to low, low to medium, then submit, file upload, and the same method we are following. Here you can see that it is only accept the JPG PNG image, so it is not accepted. But here we can able to accept like by using the tool burp suite. So yeah, I will show you that also. So we start the burp. Okay, now we have to do the same method, but the request we are like catching in this burp community. So I'm using the community edition. Okay, so our burp and like our lab is there, so we have to turn on the intercept and here the foxy proxy. So now we are going to upload the same thing. Open, upload. Yeah, the request has came in here, so we can put into repeater here to see. So here we can see the file name. So if you try to change here like in this PHP here by changing that to okay, for example PNG, it is not gonna work, but I will show you. We take it in the render. Still it is as say like it only accept like that. So to work, so we have to change here, but in the under you can able to see the content type by changing that to image PNG, so we can able to work. So by like changing that to application image slash PNG, so this is the type we are going to given. So let's enter send and look for the render to see the response. Yes, here you can able to see it has been saved successfully. And so this is how the file upload vulnerability work. And if you want to know more about this field and file upload vulnerability, you can go check to this Portugal lab and you can do this completely lab, so you will get more understanding rather than from this video. So I hope you understand. And I have uploaded my some Portugal lab I have done and some DVWA lab also, so please go and watch. And thank you for watching me and supporting me. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.